So this is to teach you, if you are a meditator or an aspiring meditator, this can teach you how to turn a sneeze into a little mini satori, a little piece of no mind. And I heard Osho say that the energy in a sneeze could make somebody enlightened. Yeah, it's lots of fun. And it's also really nice because when you're out in public and you have to sneeze, you don't have to sneeze in somebody's ear or the back of their head or their face or anything. You can instead have this lovely little secret mini satori and nobody gets sneezed on. It's a kind of yogic practice. Sneezelight. Next time you have to sneeze, just become very still. Feel the sensation of the sneeze beginning wherever you find it. In your arm, in your nose, in your palate, in the back of your head. Maybe in your leg. Where that tickle is, just feel that and simultaneously think about the top of your head. Just focus on the top of your head and keep focusing. Through all temptation, as the sneeze gathers itself all over your body, feel it gather, but stay right faithful to the top of your head. Pay attention, right there. The sneeze will suddenly lift up like a jet plane rising full of droplets of humanoids, rise up with all its burden, and out of the top of your head, this expanding shoebox presses out its elbows, and space echoes out from that interior, and satori.